Slide into your mind so silky. Up under the down we fly. Clean it up just to make it filthy. Under the sheets all night.
Hey guys, it's Kamrin and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a Valentine's Day transformation. So if you guys want to see how I came from this to this, make sure to keep watching. Today's video is brought to you guys by Dossier Perfumes. If you guys have never heard of Dossier Perfumes, they are a company that creates replicas of luxury brand perfumes. So if you are on a budget, you know, you always had your eye on like some kind of luxury perfume, but it was just a little too expensive. Dossier Perfume literally has I swear it smells exactly the same as the real thing for almost sometimes triple less the price. So my perfume is actually Chanel No. 5, and they have a replica of it called Floral 2, and it's only $29 compared to $80. So they also give me a discount code, and it's Kamrin10, which will give you some money off your order so you can save yourself some coin, get the perfect Valentine's Day gift for either yourself, your friends, your special someone, anybody. This is the perfect gift. So I will leave the link down in the description box down below so you guys can go check it out. But we're gonna get started in this video. So my hair is obviously a crazy mess, so the first thing we're gonna be doing is working on the ponytail look. Obviously you don't want hair all in your face because you don't know what type of action you're gonna be getting. You can't have too much action because you have a fake ponytail on, but you know, you get the vibes. You want that good look. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and wet my hair really quickly, and then we're gonna start on the ponytail look. When I'm doing like a hairstyle like this, I like to also use it kind of like as a protective style and a method to deep condition. So I'm gonna put the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. So after that, I'm gonna follow through with this Shea Moisture Sugarcane Extract and Meadow Foam Seed Silicone Free Miracle Styler Leave-In Treatment. I like to focus it also around the front of my hair because I'm really losing hair in the front. It's like this thing shoots straight out and so hard. I'm gonna get my wide tooth comb, initially brush through with my wide tooth comb, and then go through with the Denman brush. If you do it this way, instead of just putting the Denman brush through like right away, it'll help avoid breaking off your hair, putting too much strain on your hair. So now you're gonna need a Denman brush and a hair tie, and you're just gonna start combing your hair back. So now that it's completely combed back, I'm gonna take my Eco Styler Cannabis Sativa Oil Black Castor Oil Olive Oil Gel. I'm gonna take this and apply it to the front of my head. Run my Denman brush through this again. The front is always my like struggle area. You're gonna take kind of like an edge tooth comb like this. Really smooth your hair out. The key to this is like making sure that everything stays tight. Take your ponytail like this, go through, and make sure it stays nice and small. Product's gonna come out of it. Take gel again and smooth my hair one more time to really like gel it down. So I'm gonna take another hair tie and make this bun a little smaller. I'm gonna go through and blow dry it so that my hair isn't completely wet, like with the ponytail on top of it. It's not good because you don't want your hair to be sitting wet. I repositioned the bun. It's back up higher now. Take your ponytail, it has this like little clip inside of it. You're gonna take the clip and you're going to clip it in to the front of the bun right there. Flip your head this way. Try and not get the Velcro on your actual hair, and wrap around the pony. Then start wrapping this. Then you're going to take a bobby pin and secure it in the back. I like to go around and just bobby pin also the rest of this thing because it kind of doesn't stay that well unless you bobby pin it. So my gel, just apply it to here to make sure that everything is just gonna stay in place. Perfect. If you want, you can take and you can make baby hairs. I'm going to because I feel like my forehead looks weird if I don't apply baby hairs. So there. Okay. All right, so there, that's it. You're done with the hair. The hair is the easiest part. We're done. Okay, I'm gonna put earrings on because I feel naked. So we're gonna move on to makeup. So the first thing first. Let's zoom into the face. Cool. Wow, this is really HD. This was supposed to be a talk through video, so if you see me talking, that's why, but my dog was chewing in the background and it was really loud. So I'm starting with the Cover FX primer, and then I'm following with the Cover FX Power Play Foundation in G80 and G90. I have a mixed shade, so that's why I use these two. I use the lighter on the inside and the darker on the outside. Then I took this brush that I got from Walmart. It's a pretty cheapy foundation brush. You're just able to like change the settings on it, so that's what makes it so great. But you can use whatever foundation brush you have. Then I'm using my Becca concealer in the shade Almond. Just using this to kind of cover a little bit more of those dark marks. I'm not trying to make it too perfect, honestly. Like, I'm just trying to get a little bit of some coverage on, so that's why. And then I'm taking my Fenty Beauty concealer and using that to brighten my under eyes and just kind of highlight my face overall. Then I'm just taking my concealer brush and, you know, blending it. Gotta do that. Gotta blend the makeup. Alright, after that we are moving to brows. I'm using my L'Oreal brow gel from them. This stuff is awesome. Absolutely my favorite. It is the key to getting fluffy brows when you barely have eyebrows. I love this stuff. I also use the color medium brown. I don't go through and carve my brows because I like for them to look a little messy, so that's why you're not going to see me do that part. Then to really get that perfect fluffy look, I use the e.l.f. Wow Brow. As you can tell here, it really adds that like perfect feather look to it. You can't complete the eyebrow tutorial without this product. Like, all three of these products are a must. And lastly, we are topping off with some clear mascara. You can use any clear mascara, to be honest. This one's just cheapy and always around. Then we're going into our Morphe palette, mixing this kind of like reddish brown color together. You really don't have to be good at eyeshadow. I'm definitely not good at eyeshadow. I'm really just like pushing these colors around on my eyelid. It's a pretty simple look. And then I'm taking a darker brown, focusing that on my outer crease. It's super simple, does not take a makeup artist or anything. Like, I'm the worst at makeup and I can do it, so you ain't gotta worry about it. And then I'm going back through my Fenty concealer and just cleaning up that line and kind of winging out that eyeshadow, which is gonna help give a more cat eye effect because I have uneven eyes and we all know I need any little help I can get. And then I'm going to do eyeliner. That eyeliner is from the dollar store. I've had that literally for forever. It's the best eyeliner ever. And then I'm doing my mascara and following through with bronzer. This is the bronzer from NYX. I love this bronzer. I swear by it. Also, I will have all of the products that I use in the description box down below. I know this is going kind of fast, so. This is my favorite bronzer ever. It's literally like the perfect color. Then I'm going through and contouring my nose with that same exact bronzer. And I just kind of blend it out with my finger a little bit also.
Then we are highlighting with our Fenty Beauty Concealer, blending that in, obviously, doing our best to snatch that nose. Then I'm following through with this Steve Laurent blush. I am a huge fan of blush now, especially for like pinky cutesy colors. I think that's so like cute. I'm using my Fenty Beauty powder just to kind of set everything in. Then I'm following through with this lip liner from Milani. Once again, I will have everything in the description box for you guys. This is also Milani lipstick in the color 67. I swear by Milani lip products, they are the best ever. Love them. Then I'm using this Anani Beauty lip gloss. I swear by this lip gloss. This is the only lip gloss I use anymore. This lip gloss is amazing. All lip glosses from this line is just like incredible. They're the best lip glosses ever. So I'm going to use my Becca liquid highlighter and just highlight my nose and my cheekbones. Give that nice like glow. And then we're going to be using these lashes. I like to do individual lashes because that way it drags out my eye a little bit more and gives me more of a cat eye look, and I love that. So
alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will leave the link for the Dossier perfume down in the description box down below. Don't forget to use my code Kamrin10 for money off. I will also leave the link for this ponytail in the description box as well. But make sure you guys subscribe as well as give this video a thumbs up and follow all my social media. It will be down in the description box down below. I love you guys so much. My camera battery is about to die. I will see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, happy Valentine's Day. If you don't have somebody special, go out with your friends. Love yourself. You're the most important person. Okay, bye.
Making money like a mint.